Hello everyone, how are you all? In my previous video, I have explained what are trigonometric ratios and how to find the trigonometric ratio. Today we will do some questions. Let us do our first question. If we have given 15 cot A is equal to 8, then we have to find secant A and sin A. First of all, we have to write this ratio. Cot A is equal to 8 by 15. Then all of you know that what is cot A. Cot A is reciprocal of tan A, and tan A is equal to its perpendicular by base. Means tan A is equal to the tan A is side opposite to angle A, that is called perpendicular, and side adjacent to angle A, that is called its base. Now we will make a triangle here, right angle triangle. So now cot A is reciprocal of this, means it's base by perpendicular. So this is base. If this is angle A, this is base. So base is 8 and this is perpendicular. If this is base, then this is perpendicular. First of all, we have to find out, this is right angle at B. Okay? We have to find out its hypotenuse. So using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find out its hypotenuse. That is we have to apply here Pythagoras theorem, that is AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is 8 square plus 15 square, that is 64 plus 225. So this is 289. So 289 is the square root of what? This is square root of 17. So our AC is 17. So we can write that our third side is this. Now we have got all the sides now, all the three sides we have. Now we can find out any other ratio. So we will find here sin A. Sin A is side opposite to angle A. This is angle A. This is its opposite side, means 15. Means perpendicular by hypotenuse भी लिख सकते हैं हम. So this is perpendicular by its hypotenuse. This is side opposite to angle A is 15 by 17, and we have to find here secant A. So what is secant A? Secant A is the reciprocal of cos. So cos of A is side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. So यहाँ पे आएगा our hypotenuse. This is 17 by its side adjacent to angle A, means its base. So this is our question is solved. बस इतना ही करना है. We have given one ratio and we have to make a triangle according to this. Then we have to use Pythagoras to find our third side. Then we have to apply the trigonometric ratio formula जो भी है. Now let's do our second question. In this question we have to find, in given figure, find tan P and cot R. We have given a figure where in right angle triangle, right angle at Q and P and R, and PQ is given here 12 centimeter and PR is equal to 13 centimeter. First of all, we have to find the third side here, because in any question, if we have to find any ratio, then we know all the sides. We should know all the sides here. Now using Pythagoras theorem, we have our hypotenuse is PR. So it is PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now we have to find here QR. So QR square is PR square minus PQ square. This will shift to this side, then we will find out QR. So this is, we are given PR and PQ also. So PR is 13 centimeter minus PQ is 12 centimeter. So sorry, this so 13, this is 169, square of 13 and square of 12 is 144. We will subtract it. 9 minus 4 is 5, 6 minus 4 is 2, so we are left with 25. So QR square is 25 and QR is square root of 25, that is 5 centimeter. So this is our QR and our third side. ठीक है. Now we can find out any ratio. We have to find out tan P. So tan P is side opposite to angle P. This is angle P, है ना. Sorry, this is angle P. Side opposite to angle P is this one. So it is QR. Y side adjacent to angle P is PQ. Means this is base and this is perpendicular. So tan is perpendicular by base. So it is 5 by 12. सेंटीमीटर सेंटीमीटर कोई भी यूनिट्स लगा दो, देन इन द रेशो वो तो कैंसिल हो जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट कोट आर. टू फाइंड कोट आर वी हैव टू टेक आर एज बेस, angle side with angle R as base. So this is our base. So in quote R, opposite to tan, this is side opposite by side adjacent to the given angle. Here we will write side adjacent to the given angle. R adjacent side is QR. Why its opposite side is, angle के opposite side कौन सी है, PQ. So this is 5 by 12 again. So in the question we have asked that is tan P is equal to quote R. So here, therefore tan P is equal to quote R. So our answer is here yes, tan P is equal to quote R. So this was our second question. Now let's move to our third question. Our third question is, if sine A is equal to 3 by 4, then find cos A and tan A. We have to find out cos A and tan A. First of all, we have to make a triangle according to the given sides. Sine A is 3 by 4. Sine, what is the value of sine is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Means if we have given a triangle, this ABC or PQR, you can write anything, ABC. So this is perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 4. Oh, sorry, this is hypotenuse and this is our perpendicular if angle is sine A here. Okay, so we have to find cos A and tan A. So cos A और tan A के लिए we have to find out third side also. So again using Pythagoras theorem, क्या आएगा, I am writing directly. AB square is equal to square of 4 is ऐसे लिख देती हूँ, ठीक है. This is 4 यही आएगा ना, this is hypotenuse minus perpendicular का square आएगा. So this is 16 minus 9 is 7. So AB is square root of 7. This is our perpendicular, sorry, this is our hypotenuse and this is our perpendicular. We have to find out base, which is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus this square. So ये इधर shift हो जाएगा, AB जब तब आएगा AC square minus BC square. So this is 4 square is 16 and 3 square is 9. So our answer is 16 minus 9 is 7. So here we get under root 7 is our third side. We have to find out cos A now. Cos A is side adjacent to angle A. This is angle A, its adjacent side by its hypotenuse, means base by hypotenuse. So it is under root 7 by hypotenuse is 4 and tan A, again A angle we are taking here base. So tan A क्या होता है, side opposite to angle A means BC by side adjacent to angle A, it's AB. So it is 3 by square root of 7, that is perpendicular by base. This is tan A. So this is our third question. Now let's move to our fourth question, which is fourth question. Fourth question we have done in our last video. Now we will move to our fifth question. Fifth question is, if secant theta is equal to 13 by 12, then find all trigonometric trigonometric ratios. We have to find all trigonometric ratios if secant theta is 13 by 12. So first of all we will write secant theta is equal to 13 by 12. So what is secant theta? Secant theta is reciprocal of cos, means cos theta is side opposite to angle theta है ना, side opposite adjacent, साइड एडजेसेंट टू एंगल थीटा बाय हाइपोटेन्यूज होता है, तो यहाँ पे उसका रेसिप्रोकल हो गया, तो आ गया साइड एडजेसेंट टू एंगल थीटा बाय इट्स हाइपोटेन्यूज बाय दिस. सो आई विल राइट मेक योर ट्राइंगल. So this is right angle triangle. This is our angle theta and this is hypotenuse is our 13 and side adjacent to angle theta means this side is 12. We have to find the third side. This is P, Q, R. We have to find here PR using Pythagoras. Using Pythagoras theorem we will find PR which is equal to 13 square minus 12 square. ऐसे ही होगा ना. 13 is 169 minus 12 is 144. So it is 25. So PR is square root of 25 is 5 centimeter. So this is our third side. This is 5 centimeter. जो भी है. If we are not given any units then you can write here K also. K और जब भी हम रेशियो लेते हैं तो कैंसिल हो जाता है. So we can write here direct as it is 13 by 12 here. Okay. There is no need to write K also. अगर आप लिखना चाहते हो तो लिख सकते हो. K is any constant. Okay. So PR is 5 centimeter. Now we can find all other ratio. First of all we will find out sin A. Sin A is क्या होता है? Side opposite to angle. This means it's perpendicular by hypotenuse. And cos A is side adjacent to the given angle means 12 by its hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse भी कर सकते हैं. Tan A is angle is theta here. So we are writing tan theta is base by perpendicular by base means side opposite by side adjacent to angle theta. This is side opposite to theta is PR means 5 by side adjacent is 12. Now what we have to find? Cosecant. Cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine, so we can directly write it 13 by 5 and secant theta is given. Cot theta is, what is cot theta? It is reciprocal of tan theta means side adjacent to angle and side opposite to angle means 12 by 5. So these are all other trigonometric ratios. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you want to solve any question, if you have any problem in any question, then you can write in the comment section box and I will let you solve this. Thank you.